Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Aslam Ali Hindi and you are learning Solidworks 2018. Now we'll be going for the polygon, clicking on it, and as you can see we can add different parameters to the polygon. For example, if we want to have 6 sides of the polygon, we can place 6, or if we want 8 sides of the polygon, we can go with that. Now how we are going to create the polygon? All the sides of this polygon would be same, and it can be either inscribed circle or circumscribed circle. So first I'm going for the inscribed circle, so it will be controlled by its center, clicking for its center here and then going like this. I'm extending my cursor out, and once I click somewhere the polygon appears, and you can see there are 8 sides of this polygon, and it is a polygon made by inscribed circle. This is the inscribed circle. The polygon, the inner sides, the circle is externally touching the polygon, or in other words, the polygon is internally touching the circle. So I can give the this is the position of the circle in x and y direction, and this is the you say the radius of the inscribed circle. I don't need to feed the things manually here. I can simply use the smart dimension to define all these things. Then there is the last thing. This is the angle along which the circle is going to be made. So this is the inclination angle of the circle. For example, I am making this one as 0. So you can see this is aligned with the horizon. Clicking for this, yeah, now I can define the circle for this, the inscribed circle for this polygon. This is the one way of defining the polygon. Then I have to define this center of the polygon, which I am placing at the origin for the sake of convenience, and I can make any of these sides of the polygon as horizontal or vertical. For example, I am making this one as vertical, so clicking OK. Now the polygon is fully defined as it has turned black. Now I am clicking on this to show you this is the horizontal vertical relation of this side of the polygon with the vertical axis. It has been aligned with the vertical axis. So this was inscribed polygon. Yeah, another thing I want to show you, this was one way of defining the polygon. I can define the sides of the polygon as well. I am taking, for example, this one as 90 millimeters. So accordingly all the sides would be stretched out to be made as 90 degree, and accordingly this inscribed circle would be stretching out to fit with it, and the polygon is fully defined. Now the same thing can be done with circumscribed circle. It starts with a center and stretches out the same way, and once it stretches out, you can see the only difference here is that the circle passes through the corners of the rectangle of the octagon, this polygon. So again I can define its location by placing the center of this polygon at the origin. It's not necessary that I have to place it here. I can place it anywhere where I am needing it anyways, and then I can click here. I can make it vertical, or I'm just removing this relation. I'm going to add this relation. For example, I'm clicking here and I'm making this as horizontal, so it's now horizontal. You can see this is that side, and then I can either take the size of its side, any of its side, or I can take the diameter of the circumscribed circle. For example, I'm taking this one as 800 mm. Accordingly, it will be fitting up. So these are our two types of polygons. We can create as many kind of polygons, as many sides of the polygon as we need. We have to just manually feed it. Let me show you. Instead of 8, I'm taking 9 sides of the polygon, so it will be the polygon with 9 sides. So this is all about the polygon. This much is enough for today. Let's meet soon. Have a good day.